Starting in the great name of Allah, the granter of greatness, the destroyer of delights. Dear students, the first lesson, the farewell sermon, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is in progress. In lecture 2, I talked about 3 key points of the first 3 paragraphs. The difference between AD and CE, BC and BCE, Mount and mountain, listen and listen up, goodbye and farewell. Today I will talk about the next 3 paragraphs. The 4th paragraph says, our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, listen to my words with full attention, for I do not know whether I shall be granted another year to be amongst you. Dear students, here in this paragraph an idiom has been used, lend me an attentive ear. What's the idiom? Lend me your ear. What does it mean? Ask for someone's full attention. When we ask for someone's full attention, we use this idiom. Paragraph number 5th. The summary of paragraph number 5th is this: your lives and property are a sacred trust amongst yourselves until you appear before your Lord. And remember, you shall have to appear before your Lord, who shall demand from you an account of all your actions. Here, these points need elaboration. Reckon. What's the difference between reckon and reckon on? Reckon mean to judge, and reckon on mean to rely, to depend. For example, don't reckon on anybody in any matter. What's the difference between usury and interest? Usury refers to interest that is higher than the maximum rate that the state allows lender to charge. Interest refers to the fee a lender charges. Most lenders take interest based on a percentage of the amount you owe on the loan. Vow and capital. There are 2 vows. Vow, what does it mean? Give up certain rights. For example, he decided to waive his usual fee. Wave, W-A-V-E, a swell of water in an ocean. Capital, here capital means wealth, money, asset. But there are 2 important words: capital versus capital. Capital means the state or town that is the official seat of government in a country. Capital with OL, a building where lawmakers meet. The last paragraph of today's lecture is about Satan. We are warned that we should be careful regarding Satan. because Satan is our sworn enemy. Here, lost, L-O-S-T. There are 3 words for you people. Lose, lose, loss. What do they mean? Lose, not win. To suffer a setback. Lose, lose, not tight. Things that are not tight. He wears a loose shirt. Loss, the fact or process of losing something or someone. Quran says, Innal insana wal asri, innal insana lafi khusrin. And by the time, man is in loss. To sum up, these are the key points of the lecture. Lend me an attentive ear. Why? Holy Prophet ﷺ says, for I do not know whether I shall be granted another ear to be amongst you. Point number 2, the life and property of every person is a sacred trust. Number 3, interest on loans is forbidden. Number 4, beware of Satan. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.